Okay, let's do some biomechanics. You probably know the C3D file. It means that motion capture file that you can see marker data, force plate data, etc. So I want to use Open AI or ChatGPT to see if I can actually read these. I know that there are quite a lot of Python files that you can actually read and write. But I'm gonna stick to this one. Like I know that this exists. We can find other things, and this is more about C3D file if you want to know. And I've got the C3D file here, myself, like in my GitHub. So I'll share this one hopefully as well, how the detail of it. So let's just go and see what I've done. So I've asked actually, so you don't need to necessarily do this, but it's like I want to do this, read the C3D file using the following. So I actually copied and paste this information here. We can sometimes give you a link, etc. And then to be used in Python and Colab to do it. Okay, so it's giving me some information like, okay, install it. I did it, and then import the C3D, and then this is the way to read it. Okay, and then this is the way to go for the loop to get the points and the log, and this I think this is a frame, right? And then I ask actually, can you put them all together? So it's actually giving more information. So I think it's the frame number as well. This is the way, but here is actually putting them all together in one go. All right, I actually copied this and bring it here. So let's just copy and bring it. Say, so I installed this one already installed, and I already requested. So you can actually ask as well. So let's say, okay, can you show me how to get the file from GitHub? Okay, GitHub URL in Colab. So it's as simple as that. So it's just going to go and show me like you can get like that, just reget, okay, or other methodologies as well. So I've used request here, but you can actually simply get as simple as that. So let's say this is the file. Okay. So just copy paste it here. All right, and then see how it works. So it's just done and walking securities here, right? Here we go. I think we need to delete this one all the way here so that you get actual not these details. Just get so you can do all sort of methodologies. I just use this quickly and next step I'm gonna do is I just want to copy paste here what I ask for the C2D file, see what's going on inside, like analyze data points, etc., etc. And see inside, right? So I've done it before here, but I just copy and bring it here and proceed to this file. So let's say I download it already. This handle, and then this reader is what it reads the C3 file, is the methodology, and then it just run it. I just change one quick thing straight to name. So it just says there's an error. You can go back, it says, oh, this is not working. And go back, ask this one, but I kind of can see what's going on here. Because if you look at, for instance, the reader and then the function, and you see this method, this function reads frames, and if you look at, for instance, how it looks like, yeah, here, frame number, point, and they're all like a sequence of that. So you see there's a little bit of change here. So change it this way. But I don't think you need to enumerate. Let's just leave it as is and see how it goes. What does it say? Still asking. Probably doesn't need this one. It's just reader. Let's see. Let's just now quickly go and check. It says the error message. Come on. Trying to read it. Valid files. Okay, it's not a valid one. Okay, that's totally fine. Let me just bring the other one. Maybe it's not really a valid one. I think it was valid, but anyway, it's not the way. Let's just read it this way. No, actually read it. I think there was something wrong with the file as well. Anyway, you can double check. So here's the data, the points and everything. So you can actually now look at all inside the points, all the detail, the data, etc., etc. I know. How you like it? Just have a look at some of the things, the prompts that we actually did here. It's very simple prompt. Can you use this if you want to read it? C3D. Just have a look for understanding it. This is the Python basically library that I used, and it's a C3 file. Hope you like it. If you like more, I'll stick to, maybe I'll just record some more as well. We'll go maybe OpenSeam or other software packages. They're quite fun, right? ChatGPT and OpenSeam, and I mean, Biomechanics in general. Good luck, and let me know what you think.